In today's video, I am going to teach you how to generate in script from video in Notebooklm. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, take a moment to look over the main dashboard. This is where you will create a new notebook and attach the video source you want to work from. Keeping your sources organized from the start will make the script output more accurate and easier to review. Next, click the button that says Create New on the dashboard. This creates a fresh workspace where Notebooklm can collect your sources and generate responses based on them. After you create the new notebook, you will see different panels on the screen. Each panel has a specific job, and understanding the layout will help you move faster. Now upload your video source by selecting YouTube Sources in the pop-up window. When you add a YouTube link or source, Notebooklm will populate the source panel on the left side. This panel is important because it shows what content the tool is allowed to reference. If you plan to use more than one video, you can add multiple sources, but make sure they match your topic so the script stays consistent. Once your source is loaded, move to the chat panel in the center. Here, you will type a question to analyze the video content. Notebooklm will respond with answers that include clickable citations. Those citations help you verify where each point came from in the source, which is useful when you want your script to stay faithful to the original video. At this point, ask it to generate a script based on the video. You can be clear about what you want, such as the tone, the length, and the structure, while still keeping it aligned with the source material. After that, go to the Studio panel on the right. This is where you can create instant outputs. Click Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview, depending on the format you want. These options can quickly turn the video information into a more polished, shareable result that you can adapt into your final script. Finally, when you get a helpful answer in the chat, click Save to Note to store it. Saving key sections as notes makes it easier to assemble and refine your script without losing anything important. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.